On this video, we're gonna see if these thermal containers actually work. So we got 3 of these Pinnacle sets. One is a 2.5 liter, one is a 1.2 liter, and the last one is a 600 mil. And we've cooked some dishes here, and we're gonna see if the heat is contained in these containers. So we've got a thermal gun for that. We're gonna measure the heat. It actually works correctly. You can see that this one's got a lid, so it's gonna be hotter. And we're gonna put some of the stuff from here into these containers, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Now the colors, the one thing about these is they look great. They're ultra light. Inside these is metal, right? So this is the actual metal. You cannot put these obviously in the microwave. Also, you cannot put these in the dishwasher. Those are the 2 things that are not good about it. What's great about it though is if this experiment works, these are lightweight containers that you can bring with you camping. You can bring with you to a cottage with ready-made food that is hot up to 6 hours or that is cold up to 6 hours. We're gonna do another experiment with some ice just to see if it's actually gonna contain it. So let's go and grab some ice, and we're just gonna dump a bunch of cubes into here, and we're just gonna see if this melts, right? So now we lock it. There is no lock mechanism. All you do is it's just a very simple twist, but you can see it won't come off accidentally. Also, these are not leak proof, so do not turn them upside down. Again, very good. It's not going to spill, but again, not leak proof. So let's leave this, and we're going to come back to this. Now this does come in different colors. We picked out the sort of a teal blue because we wanted to go with the kitchen, and it looks pretty dope with the kitchen. But it also comes in red. It comes in regular blue. It comes in green, and it comes in purple. It's made of, this tap just turns on, okay. It is made from polyurethane plastic. So polyurethane is used in vehicles on bumpers. So the front bumper, when you hit a curb, for example, it just kind of bounces off. It doesn't actually dent unless you really, really hit it. That's the same material that's on these. So if you drop it, it's not gonna dent or break. Compare that to a pot. If you drop a pot, not only will it screw up your floor, but it will leave a dent. So that is a huge plus for these containers. And you know, they're pretty inexpensive in comparison. You know, just a little under what an actual pot would cost. The only thing is you can't cook in them and you can't microwave that. But if the thermal properties work out and they can hold the heat and they can hold the coldness, then it's worth it. Okay, let's take a look at the ice. So we had our ice cubes in here. It's about 4.5 hours. Let's see how those held up. So the ice cubes are still in. Only lost some water, honestly. So I would say it lost about 25% water of ice. That's pretty decent. That's almost as cool as my ice cooler.
It's been more than about 4.5 hours. And I'm going to check the temperature of the food. So this is the chicken. Opening it up.
So this was 60 something. 59.2.
59, but pretty good because we didn't even temper it. And the rice.
And this was also 60 something. So the rice is 46.5. Let's try one more time. 47. So
I think like the wet food probably stays hot much longer than but it's still warm.
There you have it. These are the Pinnacle thermal containers. It's a 3-piece. Looks good. Thanks for watching.